Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact metrobank customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down metrobankonline.co.uk and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, in the top right there's this help icon, select that. And over here you can also ask a question here, or you can simply scroll a bit down again. And from here, what you can do is you can also find FAQs. If you find any relatable FAQs here, you can simply open it, and over here you might find this instruction here. And if you need to speak with a representative, what you need to do is scroll a bit down again, and you need to select this get in touch. Over here, scroll a bit down again, and over here, you can simply give us them call for the personal customers or business customers here. And if you're outside from the UK, you can also use this number here. Before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account or card information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.